Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine and you all have having a good time with your studies as we are going very slow with mathematics for your better understanding of it. So don't have to stress out so much. So we have completed question number 12. Okay, please make sure you watch the previous videos, the introductory session of how the working rules work out. One video of around 5 to 6 minutes are there. You watch it and you come back to this video after looking at the rules. Even if you don't do those 12 numericals, if you start from here, you will easily be able to get it by keeping the rules in mind. The working rules are very important. So moving on to question number 13, same thing, you multiply LHS 2 into 4x and bring every RHS to LHS. Shift everything by just treating that less than sign as equal to. I said treating, not it's not equal to, it's just treating that thing. Okay, we are getting 4 is greater than x. So x is less than 4, giving you the answer minus infinity to 4, both in round brackets. 4 is less than, okay, x is greater than 4, so it's 4 to infinity. Okay, because 4 is less than x, na? Which means x is greater than 4. Fair enough. So please pause the video to note this down. Yeah, now moving on. Question number 14, same thing. You multiply the same thing and bring everything to RHS, solve x to x and normal numbers to normal numbers, and then it will be getting 2 is greater than equal to x, which means x is less than equal to 2, giving you the answer as minus infinity to minus giving as a minus infinity to 2, all real numbers within this thing. Okay, minus infinity to where 2 will be included. Why? Because 2 is greater than equals to x, right? That was it for question number 14. Please pause the video to note it down. Yeah, question number 15 now. Question number 15, take the LCM in RHS and then bring all the RHS terms to LHS. Okay, making sure that x is always on LHS for your understanding. Or if you understand 4 is greater than 4 is less than x, then it's not a problem. Okay, so 4 is less than x, giving you the answer as minus infinity to 4. Okay, that was for your question number 15. Please pause the video to note it down. It's not that difficult. Okay, that was for your question number 15. Then moving on to question number 16, we have same thing. You have to take the LCM. Just keep one thing in mind, that you don't just cross multiply things. Okay, cross multiply things which might get your numericals might get wrong. Multiply it at, just take the LCM, bring everything to LHS. Solving, basically you get 2 is greater than equals to x, or x is less than equal to 2, giving you answer as minus infinity to 2, all real numbers between minus infinity and 2, where 2 will be included because it's greater than equal to. Clear? Please pause the video to note it down, or you can do it on your own. It's very good. That was it for this video. Question number 60. Now moving on to question number 17. Now the questions are same. Okay, you just have to draw it on number line, and number line has been already done in the live class, as well as the video has been posted. Please go through that video if you don't know how to draw a number line. So same thing, you're getting answer as x is less than 3. So less than 3 means all the numbers between minus infinity and 3, where 3 will not be included. That is why a hollow circle is out here and not a filled circle. Okay, if in case this would be a less than equal to 3, then this would be a black, it will be a filled circle, not a hollow circle. Clear? It means 3 is not included, and this out here it's infinity. This blue portion represents your infinity, so you can just mark it or shade it bit more darker than the normal line, and that will do. Okay, this was for your question number 17. Now question number 18 is the same thing. You solve it and you get x is greater than equals to minus 1, which will give you minus 1 will be included. It will be a filled circle, and to the infinity, positive infinity. See, minus 1 is a filled circle. You see the difference out here? between minus this one less than its mine is hollow circle, and for greater than equal to its filled circle. Okay, just equal to seen out here, nothing else. Equal to के लिए you will be filling it, and if it's not equal to, you will not fill it. Clear? Now question number 19. Same thing, you solve it, you get x. 1 is less than x. What does it say? X is less than minus 1, right? Or x is, this is 1 is less than this, or x is greater than this, right? So minus 1 to infinity, where minus 1 will not be included, that is why a hollow circle is out here. Okay, that was it for today's video. Make sure you complete this assignment today itself and submit it in Google Classroom. And if any student facing any doubt, or any student is new, just make sure you give me a call or just text me on WhatsApp. I'll definitely try and help you out. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Make sure you submit the assignment and do your work regularly. Thank you, class. Have a nice day.